Hi, I'm Justin with Greenville Cabinet, and today we're going to be taking a look at a standard or traditional overlay cabinet. This one happens to be a beautiful rustic hickory in a light brown stain, and what makes it a standard overlay cabinet is the amount the door covers the face frame. So the face frame of your cabinet is typically 1.5 inches wide, and a standard overlay will cover 1/2 inch of that, leaving you with a 1-inch reveal of cabinets. These are terms that you'll hear if you go cabinet shopping at all, and this is a demonstration of what it actually means. So a standard overlay, your door overlays 1/2 inch onto your face frame, leaving you with a 1-inch reveal, and it makes for a very beautiful kitchen. It is also the easiest door style to install, so if you're doing your own installation, I would highly recommend going with a standard overlay door. To schedule your free consultation, you can reach out to us at greenvillecabinet.com, or you can call us on the phone at 616-225-2424. I'm Justin with Greenville Cabinets, and have a great day.